welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. Today I'm going to be doing a weekend vlog. I have some fun plans tomorrow. Today is currently Friday. Today I'm just planning on having a productive work day, kind of getting everything finished up for the week. I do actually have some packages I wanted to kind of unbox and show you guys, so thought we'd start the vlog off with a little unboxing. First, actually what I'm wearing. So I wanted to wear this, so I couldn't wait to like fully unbox it. It's this little sweatshirt I just ordered from the store called @shop96. I'll put the Instagram logo here and I'll link the website below. It is a local store here in Kansas City. She literally sells the cutest sweatshirts and t-shirts, and she also sells a ton of vintage denim. I ordered the sweatshirt. I think it's so cute. She just launched this. And it says 96 Health Club with like a little smiley face. I love the color, and it's also so cozy. It's like the softest like material. It would be great to wear with leggings or kind of some baggy jeans and sneakers. I feel like I'm gonna wear this every day. So my plans tomorrow, I'm actually going to her pop-up shops. So the owner will do a pop-up for like every season with like the new collection and the new items, and tomorrow is the fall one and I'm super excited. She's doing like a fall market, so it's like outdoors with like kettle corn and apple cider, and it's gonna be so much fun. So I thought it'd be fun to vlog it. There's so many cute items. I actually kind of already saw them because I was at her studio recently. I actually did a photo shoot for a magazine for her brand. I did vlog it. So I just arrived, just got to her studio, which is where she makes like everything. We just changed into our cow jeans. This is Marissa. I don't know if you guys, you've been in one of my vlogs before.
Really?
To the plant.
Oh, the plant store. But I didn't speak.
Spots.
This is my first speaking role.
So I put these little earrings on. These are 96. You'll have to see the jeans. Like, they're so cute and they fit so good. Best vintage denim all the time.
Let's go take some cute pics.
We're here at the photo shoot. This is what it looks like. Yeah. Later, and we are back at the studio. Her studio is so cute. Definitely follow her Instagram. You can see like behind the scenes of the stuff that she's making. Oh my gosh, look at this new product. This is literally the cutest thing I've ever seen. Also, the smiley face, I'm obsessed. I did do a little photo shoot. So while I was there, I stopped at her studio and I saw a lot of the products for this pop-up. Next up, I also got the t-shirt version. I just thought this was so cute. And it's kind of like this cream color. This is also just like a really soft, nice material, like very, very good quality. I got a large in this one, so it would also be kind of oversized. Next up, I have a package from e.l.f. I don't know if you guys can see that. Thank you so much to e.l.f. for gifting me these products. I literally love e.l.f. I have some e.l.f. eyeshadows that I got like, I want to say like over a year ago, and I literally use them every single day. They're like my favorite eyeshadows. They work so well, and they're like $3. I actually got some more of them, so I'll show you in just a second. But I literally love e.l.f.'s products. I use them all the time. Truly, they are so good. So they gifted me a few things, and I picked out some new favorites for the holiday season. So I'm gonna show you guys a few. e.l.f. is really amazing, so if you haven't checked them out recently, you definitely should. So first off from e.l.f. is this little advent calendar. I think this is so fun. So it's like a makeup slash skincare advent calendar. I won't be using this for a little while. I can't remember. I think on the website it actually does show what's in it, but I kind of didn't look, so I want it to be a surprise. I want to say it has skincare and makeup. Oh, it has an eyeshadow in it. I literally love their bite-sized eyeshadow. Glitter eyeshadow, blending brush, makeup mist and set, eyelash curler, brow. I'll forget all of this by December. Ride or Die lip balm, total face sponge. If you're curious, you can click on the link. I guess when you go to buy it, you'll also see. I thought this would be really fun because I really do love their makeup, and I thought it'd be a nice surprise come December. Next up, I got these cream shadows. So I love these little gift sets. I feel like you get really good like value, and they're all like really neutral colors. so I feel like these would be really good to use. I actually used a cream eyeshadow today. I also got a glitter eyeshadow. I thought this would be fun for like New Year's, or I don't know. I don't usually have plans, but there might just be a certain occasion where I want glitter eyeshadow, so I thought this might be fun to have. It's like a liquid eyeshadow and it's glittery. It actually came in a gift set with this mascara. This is a big volume mascara. The little brush that you can see in the picture looks like it would work really good. Next up, I got this lip plumping gloss. I've been really like wanting to get more into lip glosses lately because I always wear the same thing all the time and it's just kind of like boring. And this looks really pretty. We might just have to try it out right now. It's really pretty. I really like that. That color is literally stunning. I feel like that's just like the perfect color. Like it's neutral, but it does have a nice amount of pink. It's a little bit shimmery, but not too much. And it's just like a little plumping too. So I really like this. It tastes really nice. It has like a really nice flavor. Cupcake or something. I don't know what it is. Might just be using this every day of my life. Next up, I got this little brush set. So it comes with a brush and a sponge. It's just like a little fluffy brush and a sponge. I feel like e.l.f. is definitely known for the brushes, or at least in my mind. I've always really loved e.l.f.'s brushes. I feel like my first makeup brushes ever were definitely from e.l.f. I don't think I really have a makeup sponge, so just thought I'd check this out. Lastly are the eyeshadows. I didn't mean to save them for last. These are the eyeshadows that I was talking about. This is actually the one that I use every day. This is one of the ones. I actually use two of them every day. I use one for like my base eyeshadows, and then I use one for like my transitional, like the matte colors. So this is one of the ones I use. One of them is called like pumpkin pie. I'll link that below. This is the pumpkin pie one that I use like every day, so you can see what colors I like. Definitely need to pick up another one. I believe they're only $3, and I've had this one for like a year. I really love this. I definitely recommend. It's like super good eyeshadow. It blends really well. The colors are really nice, so I literally love this. I just picked up these. These were like in a little gift set together. So there's this cream and sugar one. I like to use these two colors on the base of my eye. I've never used this one before, but the colors also look really nice. Maybe for like Valentine's Day, like some little pink shades. I actually used a cream eyeshadow today that was kind of like pinkish, so I do like some pink eyeshadows. Definitely check those out. I promise you will love them. I'll have those all linked below if you guys want to check any of those out. Definitely recommend checking this out. It is really amazing. I kind of made a mess unboxing those packages, so I'm just gonna pick that up, and then I'm actually gonna film a video today. So I'm just gonna do that, and then I will check in with you guys later. Just a little bit later, I just filmed a video and had lunch, and now I'm about to go get coffee. Here's everything from the video I just filmed, so I do need to film some B-roll clips when I get back. I have a large iced vanilla latte with cinnamon powder. So it is a little bit later. I just realized I'm wearing my blue light glasses on my head. Such a mom thing to do. I've just been working on the thumbnail for my new video and importing the footage. I was gonna get started on the rough cut, but it's kind of late in the day now. Just working on it a little bit over the weekend and Monday. I'm really so obsessed with the sweatshirt. Also, it kind of matches my phone case, smiley face. It's actually the next day. It is Saturday, and I just got to the pop-ups. It is a few days later. I meant for this to be like a weekend vlog, but then I kind of forgot to vlog over the weekend. Just wanted to pop on here and kind of like vlog one more day before ending this vlog, so hopefully it's not like too all over the place. If you're curious what I got at the pop-up that I just showed in the previous clip, I did do a whole entire like fall try on clothing haul, and I showed all of those items in it, so I'll link it here if you guys want to check that out. I did want to talk about the Sephora sales. So if you guys don't know, they do like a big savings event. It's like up to 20% off for beauty insiders. Sale runs from November 5th to November 15th. The Rouge members get to shop earlier. It's a really good time to stock up on all of your favorite products and also like try out new products. So I always go like crazy. If I upload this video when I'm planning on uploading it, the sale should just be starting. That way, if you're looking for some inspiration of some stuff to pick up during the sale, I can give you guys some ideas before it sells out. I'm actually gonna go into Sephora today in the store and shop. I actually placed a reserve order. You can place an order online and just pick it up in the store because I was really nervous the stuff I liked would sell out. I also placed an online order because some of the things I want are online exclusives. The online order is gonna be delivered after I wanna get this video posted, so I'm just gonna show you guys some screenshots of the things I ordered online. Also, I wanna try the new Starbucks holiday drink. I think it's called the Sugar Cookie latte. I might run into Target as well because Target always has really cute Christmas stuff at the very start of the season. I think this is really the only errands I'm going to run, but I just thought I would take you guys along. Before I head out, I just wanted to show you guys what I ordered online at Sephora really quickly. This sale came at a really good time because I'm literally out of all of my everyday products, and I'm also just really excited to try some new products as well. Everything from Sephora will be linked below in my description, so if you want to shop any of these products, they'll be linked below. First thing I ordered is this Isle of Paradise Night Glow Self Tan Mist. I love the Isle of Paradise Self Tanning Drops. I'm gonna pick those up in store. You just kind of mix them into your moisturizer and they give your skin a nice glow. But I thought this sounded interesting because it's like for nighttime, which is when I always use them, and it's a face mist, which might be easier to use than the drops. It wasn't super expensive, so I just thought I would try it out. Next, I ordered a dry shampoo from the brand IGK. My sister's heard of this and she said it's like a good brand, and I've been wanting a good dry shampoo. I don't currently have a dry shampoo that I love, so I thought this would be good. It's their First Class Charcoal Detox dry shampoos. Next, I picked up the Summer Fridays Overtime Mask. I haven't really heard a lot about this, but I have the jet lag mask and I really like it. Just kind of wanted to try another mask from them. This one just seemed really good. It had a lot of really good reviews. I think it said that it's good with moisture and stuff. So that is what I ordered online. I guess I'm just gonna go to Sephora now. Let's go. Sephora shopping done. I got so many good things at Sephora. I'm gonna do a little haul. I'm gonna do a little haul at my apartment. I feel like the lighting is kind of bad. I picked up so many good things. The first thing I picked up is the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. I love this for setting my makeup. Next, I got the Wave Spray. I literally love this. I use this every single day. It smells so good, and I also like it for days that I wear my hair natural, like a little bit curlier. Next, I picked up the Clinique Rinse Off Foaming Cleanser, I think is what it's called. This has been my go-to for years, like literally since like middle school or high school. I literally love this for removing my makeup and cleansing my face. It's very like gentle, and I think it works really good. Next, I got the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer in the blurring one. They actually sent this to me in a PR package, and I used it all up. I literally love this. I actually repurchased it, and then I feel like I'm gonna be running low soon. I do feel like it helps my makeup last all day. Next, I got the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, and I'm gonna order a couple more of these online because I think they only had one in the store. This is my favorite foundation, and it has been for years. It literally works so good. It's like kind of natural, like your skin still looks like skin. At the same time, it also provides good coverage for any kind of like breakouts or whatever. So it's just like the perfect combination. I literally love this. It is like the perfect foundation, and I have tried them all. If you guys haven't tried it, this is a great time to pick it up while it's on sale. Next is the Isle of Paradise Self Tanning Drops. So these are super popular. My sister's obsessed as well. So again, if you guys haven't tried these, I would definitely recommend. You basically mix it into your moisturizer. I like to do it at nighttime, and then when you wake up, your skin will just be really glowy. Kind of looks like really sun-kissed, but natural, so it doesn't look like you just put a bunch of fake tan on. Like, it looks really natural, like you've just been like laying out in the sun. This is the last kind of like repurchase slash like everyday product. It is this concealer. So I actually got this during the last savings event. I kind of ordered it on accident. I actually really like this. Like, it's a really good concealer. It gives good coverage. It's still like a creamy consistency that's easy to blend. Super brightening, very creamy. It literally says in the package, super creamy and brightening. And that's exactly what I would say it is. That's all my repurchases, but I did pick up a few new products to try. I'm always like screenshotting products that I want to try, and this is the time that I order them. I actually saw this one in the store and I thought I would pick it up. It's this Giorgio Armani concealer. So it's called the Luminous Silk Multi-Purpose Glow Concealer. And I just thought this would be good to try out. I always see this on Instagram stories and stuff, and I've never tried it. I love the foundation, so I'm sure I'll love the concealer. Next, I got the Anastasia Brow Freeze. So you guys might have seen this all over Instagram, TikTok. It kind of gives you those like boy brows, soap brows. Everybody who posts about it, like their brows look so good. So I've been dying to try this. Next, I got a couple of Charlotte Tilbury products. So I got the Pillow Talk lip liner and the Pillow Talk lipstick. This is like one of the hottest products. Everybody's always wearing this. I am a little bit late on this, but I really wanted to try it out. So I got both the lipstick and the lip liner. I also got this Dior Lip Glow Oil in Rosewood. I also see a lot of people posting about this. It's like very popular on TikTok and stuff as well. So I thought I would try this. I think that is actually everything that I picked up in store. Next up, Starbucks. I got the sugar cookie latte. Here it is. It's got like little sprinkles at the top. So I'm gonna taste this. What is this straw? Why is it not green? The straw is throwing me off. It's pretty good. It definitely has like a Christmassy flavor. I can taste the sugar cookie. I ordered it with one less pump, so I got a grande iced, and it comes with almond milk, and I don't really like almond milk, so I just got regular milk, which I know everybody thinks is gross. I ordered it with one less pump of the syrup because I didn't want it to be too sweet, because I heard it was pretty sweet. And it actually doesn't taste that sweet. You can definitely taste the coffee. It has like a pretty strong coffee taste, I think. The little sprinkles are good. I would rate this like an 8 out of 10. I'm at Target and I was just gonna look at their like little holiday stuff, like their holiday decoration. I ended up getting way too many things at Target. You'll be seeing that in an upcoming video. I'm gonna do a decorating my apartment for Christmas. Definitely stay tuned. I'll do a little haul of the things I picked up in that video. Show more of the shopping because I vlogged a lot of the shopping in Target. I think that's actually everything for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Definitely thumbs up if you did, and comment below your favorite skincare or makeup product from any brand. Definitely make sure to shop the Sephora sale and check out those e.l.f. products as well. I'm gonna have everything linked below in my description so you can shop all those products. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26 so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.